kind of like very intimate thing you go through when you review your video and you see every micro expression you have. But now that you've made that transformation, how's that inner dialogue go these days?
Oh, I love this question. Kasi parang there's a thinking na, lalo na yung mga bago kong followers, no? Parang feeling nila, ngayon lang ako naging confident because pumayat ako.
Baby, she was always a star.
Yun nga, di ba? Parang if you look at my older videos, no matter what I looked like then, GGSS na ako. As in, yun na, like parang feel ko na I'm a content creator. I'm beautiful. Ganon, di ba? So, for me, it's yung feeling na yun, kahit ano nang maging itsura ko in the future man, dala ko na yun eh. Di ba? Like in the past na kahit bigger ako noon and hindi ako masyadong happy sa appearance ko, dala ko na yung pagka-GGSS ko. Ayun. That's the inner dialogue now. Na parang kahit anong maging itsura ko in the future, ako na to eh, di ba? Like,
Correct.
ito na yun.